For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Ever look into your bathroom mirror and think, this should be bigger and clearer? That was my exact thought before switching to a 48 by 35-inch white metal-framed mirror, and the difference was instant. The size alone changes how the space works. With a wide 48 by 35-inch surface, two people can comfortably use the mirror at the same time, which I noticed right away in a double sink setup. No stepping aside, no awkward angles, just a full, clear view every morning. The white metal frame is made from brushed matte aluminum, 2 inches wide and 0.5 inches thick. From experience, aluminum frames handle bathroom humidity far better than standard materials. They do not rust, they stay stable, and they keep their clean look over time. The high-definition glass delivers a clear, accurate reflection with no noticeable distortion, even up close. That matters for grooming, skincare, and makeup. The explosion-proof glass adds safety, which is especially reassuring in busy homes. A subtle beveled edge gives the mirror depth without making it heavy or distracting. Once installed, it looks finished and balanced on the wall. Mounting is simple using sturdy Z-brackets, with the option to install vertically or horizontally. After installation, the mirror stays firm and aligned. This mirror works just as well in bedrooms and entryways as it does in bathrooms, helping reflect light and open up the space. If you want a mirror that feels practical, safe, and designed for real daily use, this large 48 by 35-inch white metal-framed bathroom mirror delivers exactly that.